Guys, I am here with the one and only. Hello.
Hello.
We're gonna ask her some intimate questions today. Are you ready?
Ask away.
What is your number one and only beauty tip?
Water.
Water? I hate water. I hate water.
What? You hate it?
I hate the taste of water. I won't drink it.
So what do you do?
I drink tea where I put in like lemon or something.
That's fine. Lemon is fine, but you have to hydrate.
I know.
My mom always told me that. She was like, you have to drink. My mom has incredible skin, and she's like, it's all about water.
Hydration? Okay.
That's what my mom told me. I don't know if that's a secret because I feel like everybody knows that.
Yeah.
I get one of those like giant water bottles.
You're one, okay.
I'm one of those
You
people.
do that. Okay. All right.
I'm
so
probably
let's
flushing out my system, by the way, in like an unhealthy way.
Look at her.
I can't get enough of it.
What if you have a big photo shoot the next day?
Yeah.
What are you doing to depuff?
Depuff? I'm the worst depuffing person.
Uh-huh.
I basically eat a pepperoni pizza and then I wake up in the morning and I'm like, oh my god, my face is so puffy.
And then you have to choose moisturizer or oil. Which one are you choosing?
What kind of oil?
The dry oil.
I think I would probably choose, oh gosh. Can I put some dry oil in my moisturizer?
Thank you.
I gave you no secrets right then.